Yeah, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, Super Linux. So in this video, what we're going to do is that we Nikon D100, okay, 800D, okay, D800. This is my Nikon camera, okay, so it's a D800. And what we're going to do is we're going to attach on the camera. Let me zoom out a little bit. So what we're going to do is attach this on the camera and then attach, okay, another. This is a like a 12mm lens, okay, which is used on the CCTV cameras. Let me just show you. It's not like one part. There's two parts. So this is a screw. On the body of the lens, this is the 12mm lenses. They're called M, okay, M 12, okay, and this is here a conversion from inside is M12. So this is where I put it, and unscrew it a little bit. So it's just to show you how it works. Okay, so it's just easily it's in, and this side here from the outside of this here where I'm showing you is called C mount. So this here, this ring, okay, is a C mount. So we install it on that. Okay, here I have this is not necessary. Okay, this is a ring also, which you can also install things here. The size is called M42. Okay, this is the F mount here for the Nikon camera. This has here an alternative, which is here an F mount, and here inside is a C mount. So this one here is a C mount. So I screw it like this, and I install it on that camera. So here you have this little dot, and we have here also this white dot, okay, here this one, okay, and we have to match them in this way. So here see the red on the white dot, okay, the red dot, okay, so I have to match them. Okay, so this will be like your little mini camera. Okay, now I don't know whether it's gonna focus. Okay, we're gonna see whether it's gonna focus or not. Okay, and even if it does not focus, there's a solution, but I don't know whether it's available on the market. Okay, this is, yeah, this way, and you have to hear it clicking. See, there's a click like this, click. Okay, so it can stand. See, you heard it. You have to click here, okay, press here and get it out, okay, and it will get off. So again like this, and you must hear it clicking, because if it doesn't click, this means it's not fastened. Okay, okay, so you have to use this here, this hole, little holes, in order to pull it. Okay, there's a hole. Okay, now repeat the video and you know that I'll rewind the video a little bit, okay, and you will see the click again and hear it again. So now we're going to here install the HDMI cable, okay, here HDMI cable, and we're going to display in the live show the camera. Okay, if you don't have an HDMI cable, you cannot install it. You can, for example, this is a VGA cable. This is a converter from VGA to HDMI, and this one here, the camera, uses an HDMI mini. So this is the usual large size of the HDMI, and this is the HDMI mini converter, and just add them together and it will work normally. And then you get it on the VGA. Okay, so you put the computer on, or the monitor on, or the TV on the PC mode. Okay, so put it like this, not HDMI mode. Okay, and then I connect it, and I press on the LV. Okay, let's see the menu. I press LV. So you can see now the camera working. Okay, not focused, but it is working, as you can see on the display. Zoom in. Good. So here you can see my hand as I work. Okay, but it's not focused. Okay, you can see some change on the screen there. Okay. This is a reflection of my hand on this side. Okay, so this side is my reflection of my hand. Okay, this is not a true image. So the image is inside here. So don't be fooled. Okay, don't be conned by the. So I'll have to screw the lens. Okay, because it's heavy. I will just have to put it this way. I will see whether it will focus or not, and where it will focus. Turn it upside down, maybe I can see my face and my hand, whatever works. Okay, so I screwed it into the maximum I can put it, but it's not helping. So this should be my face. Okay, this is my hand. Okay, but it's not completely focused. It will not focus because the lens is not really near to the sensor. So the solution for this is that I must have a parallel lens, okay, in order to get the image with a longer focal length, and also maybe replace this lens with a longer focal length, and it will work. Okay, and there are some, okay, but anyway, I could have used directly here something like this and just do the imaging. Okay, and it will work. Just this tube telescope, and that's it. Okay, everything will be fine. So yeah, this is how as a test. Okay, I'm not saying that it will not work. It just needs the lens to get deeper, nearer to the sensor, because here's the sensor. Okay, so let's remove it. Okay, so this is the mirror inside, because this is the DSLR. There's a mirror, okay, that reflects the image towards the viewfinder here. But if I just click here, okay, so you see this is the sensor. Okay, here you see the sensor now is discovered, or like there's no cap on it. Okay, no cover on it. This is like my picture being mirrored on the sensor. So this is what the lens must reach. It must reach this depth. I must not touch the sensor. Okay, but see, it's too deep. So it's saying like something like this. See where my nail reaches. So here. So this is a very long length. Okay. Okay. So that's why it will not, at this time, okay, it will not focus. You need something that has a longer focal length in order to focus, okay, and reach the sensor. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.